you can create website using WordPress. And the question is, ano nga ba ito? So WordPress is a CMS or content management system that allows you to host or build website. So kung non-techie ka and first time mo palang gagawa ng website, I highly recommend WordPress. Why? Because this platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate. In fact, 810 million websites are powered by WordPress, which is 43% of all the websites in the internet. Personally, WordPress na ang ginagamit ko. What I like about it is that I have a full control over the looks and feel and function ng aking website. Paano? Inside our WordPress, pwede tayong mag-install ng themes and different plugins para mas mapabilis ang pag-create ng ating website. Gets na ba ang WordPress? If not, here's the logic. Think about your mobile phone as your website. And inside it, merong operating system like Android or iOS. Now, yun ang pwede nating i-compare as WordPress. And those apps and games na ini-install natin sa phone, yun naman yung mga plugins and themes na nilalagay natin sa WordPress. Klaro na ba? Simulan mo na gumawa ng website.